when he joined Action Committee on Inner Line Forest Reserve demand, Paul Tekania, when I hear Tilpoimo Tak, press meeting na Hantarlan do Kane, Ane. Chu Kantarlang Masa Anga the Hen statement Pokan Siam Hala. Niria November Sanghi Samni Pakat A Kolasible Mami District Chunga Status Quo Sorkarin and Puang He JSC Chuan Chalo Ati Inadulo Taksita Kenilam Kansolaya Asam Lamin Anna Antok Chunzom Zel Boxi Lai He Apoitak Zetani Kan Home Ministerin Kariat Puilo Ati He Ariat Puilo Tak Zetani Chuan cancel ria a procedure pangaya transaction of business rule Mizoram in Anei Sumi kalpung chuan siam thattura kan ngaya chowang chuan angatinge siam that ani ri lo hun hele chena kal to sia ti hi kan so na ani Ministry of Home Affairs Government of India in Lei nei taka ro arel le Mizoram le Mizomi puite zana nei mi alawathil anti du hi kan du lo tak zeta he order hi dar kar somsari le pani chunga he kan ngen na manga order hi an sud lowani chuan JSC on Inner Line Forest Reserve demand chuan ato thengin kan do dal don ani ti wina hian kan puang ani chuan he kan ramri chungchang a hian nie thil kal to tam tak oma chungchu kan hritlang a hei hi Inner Line Forest Reserve hi enge a zia ti hi le khabu a hian a in ziaka hei hi Inner Line regulation of the Northeast India ti ania Chakraborty P Chakraborty tun ma lo secretary na Asiam ani a scope chumina a huam tur le atum akal pui tur chu pakhatna ena chuan more control commercial relationship thinglak te maulak te le kha forest atanga rubber lak chote khang chungchang le kan tribal hill tribe mizote in kar chungchang ania bina chuanin prevention of all kinds of speculation atia tea garden tin mi ringron chen na tur chungchang te fel taka remro turin ati boka tin asina chuan regulation of acquisition of rubber works ivory and other jungle products or of any interest in the land beyond the Inner Line. Inner Line chu sarkar in British sarkar in Siama chu sangka jadi samsari ponga ani chumi pia lam chu aram te mi na wa be sei lo turin te ani bokani ten elephant sai te an man thina chu East India Company in adua chu ta chon an pekha thina sai no te po an on man thina chung ang te chu heng Inner Line regulation atanga khapa ti top turin ti te ani a chung chu hemi Inner Line regulation sangka zaria somsari pathum British sarkari na aron siamta kina athil tum ania amaro chu hemi mang vek hian Assam sarkar le British sarkar chuan aru ken thingpui hwan aron siam chho ta zela chuan tam tak kan ram anron la atuna phei chuan kan ram omna chu ami mi ron chu saka kan thil phun na kan ti phun na te kan rubber phun na te kan sangha dil te kan tham te mi ron hal saka tiang chuan asamin ma a police te chak na le forest mangin an ron la poi kan ti le kan lunga oi thei lo ani ten nge tuna status quo chung chang a khan wanglai ni chanchin bu ti hian alo langa order a chwa nu lok khan wanglai ni chanchin bu hi November ni som pani ani ta hian ramri bula mala lo turin home in ramria DC te hiatir ten he thil hi ka khavelo home minister hian ka khavelo atia chu eng ti jiang nge a hiat velo Ministry of Home Affairs chuan lekha aron thonna ninga khan chu hetilaya Chief Secretary le Home Department in an lo dong songa chuan lekha siamin mami DC le Kolasip DC chu mala tolo turin status quo maintain turin lekha an thon ta ani chuloi chu ani le kan Chief Secretary hian ati sual ta nge niang dan bo chia ta nim ti te han em te lok ila atha in karinga hei Mizoram Gazette ani chuan ni thum thatum sang ni le som panga achu ani tin heta hian dan hi siam ani notification chuan he dan hi article India Constitution article za somruk parukna nuaya siam ani chu dan chu this rule may be called the Government of Mizoram Transaction of Business Rules 2014 ani chuan heta hian akhil fiana chuan Chief Secretary ti chu Chief Secretary Mizoram Sarkar mi ti ani Sarkar chu Mizoram Sarkar ti ani boka chuan part 2 na number pariata hian tiang hian ain siaka the minister in charge of a department shall be responsible for the disposal of business pertaining to his department, and the secretary of the department shall assist and carry out the instruction of the minister in charge in this regard. Department minister in ama department hoya chuan a secretary te in an puina in na an thokanga ti anitani tena don le chuan except to the extent that power may be delegated to the department minister hian anwaya thokta department hena hian thunei na ka ape chhong vele theni ka thunei na hi heng thila hian ka pe chhong e ati thei ani tena don le chuan order or instruments made or executed by or on behalf of the government of Mizoram shall be expressed to be made or executed in the name of the governor of Mizoram. And in an appointment officer pakatan chuata se so state government nor mingin chua ani. The governor is pleased to appoint the in on that head. So kan sarkarina atang puya kalphung le secretary tene na an tho hona chungchang alo ni ta ten part 3 na hian procedure of the cabinet the omle som palina chuan all cases referred to in the second schedule shall after consideration by the minister be sent to the chief secretary for obtaining orders of the chief minister for bringing it up for consideration at a meeting of the cabinet or for circulation of the case under Rule 15. Cabinet phatura ni chuan tiang khan minister in approval peng nuwa secretary in chief minister phana ala ang ti omle ani thu poi modana zerin chung chu kaltrin ani tin departmental disposal of business atia part 4 hian number som ni le pakhatna chuan except as otherwise provided by any other rule, cases shall ordinarily be disposed of by or under the authority of the minister in charge of the department, who shall give such direction as he thinks fit for the disposal of cases in his department. Copies of important instructions shall be brought to the notice of the chief minister. Yeah. Hey, appointment taber maya India Sarkar Ministry of Home Affairs in status quo lo maintain ro in assembly Mizoram hena lekha aron thona ninga so tak chu lekha thona chu hetilaya alan dan hian chuan minister hena put up tur ani niom takani pon dilawin ani part 4 na number somni pakhan na a hian minister in charge hena an pe chhowanga anin direction ti dan tu alo hilanga chotiang chuan anti turani chotiang chuan case kha anti fel turani te ani tani amaro chu minister berina ka hello ati si chuan chief secretary he alo kal thara ten mizo chief secretary kan nei talowa ton ma in mizo chief secretary lir kan ne hen kan boi chho chung zong hian India Sarkar Ministry of Home Affairs hian status quo maintain to rani ti in lekha anrong thon thinem kan hello ani te ni chuan amaro chu Assam Sarkar ina nasataka Mizoram chungan ma aron la ka wangin Mizoram Sarkar chona ti velo thelo ati ve ta kan hutanga kan hretanga amaro chu hei tuna kan chief secretary Dr. Renu Sharma alo kalvele hian status quo maintain to tin order achwa tamaya kan chief kan minister concern pula chairman hian a si lowa ka hello ati si a hello ani si chuan order achok si a asiam thatchu an na tur chumi ong takani amaro chu ti main thilati fel thelo te po ani ma na le kan hello amaro chu minister fiat lawa an lo ti ani phei chuan a thalo le zwala tena hima asamina ma lak zel la ya Mizoram Sarkar ina amaram chunga status quo maintain na engma na ti to lo tura ati hi tha ke ni pol hian kan ti lawani Joint Action Committee on Inner Line Forest Reserve demand te hian tha kan ti lawa ato thengin do kan tum ani te hi kanan sai du ani chalo me
chuan tuna hianin khomo hei kan siang dek to ultimate tam hi chu a copy hi na kina chuan tha hi la nei ula thain ka sia nge le so fin kan in pedong ku ta
tha hi la mai teu
tuna hianin hemi press conference kan nei so manga chuan I chief secretary kan tal thanga data somsari pahi chungin status quo order hi su turin kan tia chu data somsari pahi chunga asu lawani ro chuan JSC chuan ato thengin kan dong dal dong ni tia kha kalai te kha kan soi du lo kan ni chuan in the ni phe chuan the kan ultimatum the lu hi min ron flash thei chuan ina lo mong tang min ron kal pui thei chuan
he khat chawn
oh
kan ngom me